Introducing the new Content Import REST API from dotCMS. Our new RESTful API endpoints give developers fine-grained control over content import jobs, making migrating content to dotCMS a snap, even when migrating large and complex datasets. Content can be organized into CSV files by content type and then imported into dotCMS in bulk. The import API is robust, supporting all field types, relationships, and file paths for images imported separately. Developers can test-run imports to identify potential issues with the import or data, monitor import job processes, tune import jobs by managing database commit and save points as well as fast fail settings, and troubleshoot issues with detailed reporting. The Content Import REST API is perfect for migrating large datasets, complex datasets with several content types and relationships, datasets from third-party systems, and continuous integration processes for moving content between systems regularly. Speed up your content import and migration processes with the dotCMS Content Import REST API today.